And to our continuous coverage of the Israel-Hamas war, the World Health Organization chief says children are dying of starvation in northern Gaza. Tedros Ghebreyesus says the agency's visit over the weekend to the Al-Auda and Kamal Adwan hospitals were the first since early October. We have more details on this report.
Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said the agency's visit over the weekend to the Al-Auda and Kamal Adwan hospitals were the first since early October. In a post on social media, he spoke of, quote, grim findings, end quote. The Hamas-run health ministry in Gaza reported on Sunday that at least 15 children had died from malnutrition and dehydration at the Kamal Adwan hospital. Dr. Ghebreyesus reported, quote, several levels of malnutrition, children dying of starvation, serious shortages of fuel, food and medical supplies, hospital buildings destroyed, end quote, in northern Gaza. On Saturday, the U.S. launched its first airdrop of humanitarian aid into Gaza, including more than 38,000 meals. However, aid agencies have said these drops, which have also previously been carried out by the UK, France, Egypt and Jordan, are an inefficient way of getting supplies to people. The head of the UN's main human rights agency in the Gaza Strip, UNRWA, Philippe Lazzarini, on Monday accused the Israeli government of trying to eliminate its presence in Gaza. Israel has long accused different branches of the United Nations, including UNRWA, of bias and even anti-Semitism. Several Western countries, including the UK, have paused funding to UNRWA after Israel accused some staff of roles in the October the 7th attacks.
The right, Resolution 302 is very linked to Resolution 194, which is also the issue of the right of return. And basically, I wanted to draw the attention to the member state that the attempt to eliminate UNRWA are not just based on neutrality breaches of some of the staff, but in reality has a much broader political objective behind it, which in a certain extent is to eliminate the status of refugees and make sure that this is not part of a final political settlement.
The Israeli military launched a large-scale air and ground campaign to destroy Hamas, which is prescribed as a terrorist organization by Israel, the UK, US, and others, after the group's gunmen killed about 1,200 people in southern Israel on October the 7th and took 253 back to Gaza as hostages. The territory's health ministry says more than 30,500 people, mostly women and children, have been killed in Gaza since then.